All right, back out in the shop again today. I'm gonna turn up the heat, get that thing fired and roaring, go grab some breakfast with my daughter, and then come back and start figuring out what to do on the Corvair. I got the glass out all the way around, so I need to decide what is the first thing that I'm gonna start working on. And once we're back, we'll go through it and figure it out together. In the meantime, we're gonna get this heat rolling and cook the garage down since it's 19 degrees outside. All right, here we go. See you when we get back. Okay, I've been wanting to do some exploratory sanding on this pillar because I was expecting to find a bunch of Bondo in there, but it looks to me factory. I mean, it could have been done in the early 60s, but I'm willing to bet it's factory. As you can see, the crack here and here is where it's the leading meets the metal. It's kind of got a valley there. And it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, man. That's a win. And then we've got some more up here. As you can see, there's a little bit of a divot there. But I'm pretty stoked. This is pretty easily fixed, so we're gonna keep going. I kind of dug into the dash. I wasn't expecting to. I do have a brand new dash pad, and you know, I got a little aggressive there, but I just wanted to get it out of the way. So pulled the cluster out, and I will finish stripping the rest of the dash probably, you know, the next go round, because I'd like to get it all down to where I'm just concentrating on body work. And I guess the first thing to get knocked off the list would be to get the inside done, prepped, and painted, which that in itself is going to be a lot of work, but it should go relatively quick, I'm hoping. And then I can start concentrating on what I need to fix. There's a couple of bent panels. There's some rust in the spare tire valley of the frunk, and you know, getting this stripped down, getting it cleaned up, getting it sealed. So ultimately the goal is to get this thing down to bare metal and then spray it with some epoxy, and then just get to work on it section by section. So you can see here again, I'm hoping I'll find the same situation. In fact, maybe I'll take a second here and hit that with the grinder to see what I'm up against. All right, so you can see it's the same situation, factory body seams. So I'm in a lot better shape than I was thinking I would be, and hopefully prep and cleanup on this goes pretty quick.